Tips brought to you by Customer Support. In this quick tip, we will demonstrate how to create and apply an AR adjustment. To create an AR adjustment, navigate to Accounts Receivable, Records, Adjustments, Add. This will take you to the AR adjustment screen. The first field to populate is the AR adjustment type. You have the option of a credit memo or a debit memo. A credit memo will decrease the amount you owe your customer. A debit memo will increase the amount you owe your customer. Let's create a credit memo. Next, let's populate the date. The date does default to today's date. Next, select a customer. If you have document numbering sequence turned on for AR adjustments, the number will auto-populate. If not, populate the adjustment number. Next, if you have an invoice that you would like to reference the adjustment to, you can select this from the drop-down list. Also, you can populate a description for the credit. If you have a supporting document, you can add one here at this time. If you are using a multi-currency company, populate the currency and exchange rate. Now, down to the item level. If you have account labels turned on, select your account label here. If you do not have account labels on, select the GL account associated with this AR adjustment. If you are using departments and locations, populate the department and location field. Next, enter in the dollar amount of your adjustment. Next, click on Save. The AR adjustment has been created. Now, let's navigate to Accounts Receivable, Activities, Apply Payments. Here in the Select Invoices for Payment screen, select your batch, select your customer. The screen will refresh, and here you will be able to apply the AR adjustment to an invoice. First, verify that you have the correct payment method. Next, with the receipt information, verify the receipt date. In this case here, let's say that we have a check for $600. And we want to apply our $100 AR adjustment to the $700 invoice. Here you will populate the dollar amount of the check, check off Receive Full for the $100 adjustment. Next, check off Receive Full for the invoice. This will pay the invoice in full. Next, click on Save. The AR adjustment has been applied to the invoice and the invoice has been paid in full. This concludes how to create an AR adjustment and apply it to an invoice in Accounts Receivable.